Want to transform your raw data into stunning, insightful visuals that capture attention and drive understanding? Let's dive into designing effective sheets in Tableau, starting with the foundational elements first. Focus on your data, understand your variables. What are you trying to communicate? Knowing your data is the first and most important step. Next, choose the right chart type. For comparing categories, bar charts are excellent trends over time. A line graph will often be the best choice. Tableau provides many options, and the Show Me section offers helpful suggestions. Make your data easy to read, add clear labels, experiment with colors. Use them strategically to highlight patterns or groupings. Keep the audience in mind and make it accessible. Arrange your fields logically. This means pulling in dimensions and measures you need. This will help convey the story. Consider your overall layout. How do your charts fit together on a dashboard? Good layout promotes readability and user comprehension. Think about how you can place elements so they do not seem overcrowded. By choosing appropriate chart types, optimizing layouts, and applying mindful formatting, you can elevate your data storytelling. With these steps, you can start creating compelling work. Subscribe for more visualization tips.